designed for comfort and safety.
Full option, high technology, zero saving cost. If you like to luxury car, this car is Volvo V40 T5. Model year is 2014. This guy is making higher technology, sensor, laser, radar, and blind spot system, city safety system, safety for your life.
Let's go to see the headlight is projected by xenon, and this for cleaning headlight, and the gray design making chromium and has 6 sensor for safety. Which side is 17? I have lighting, left and right automatic. For design is hatchback style. You see, my friend is making chromium. It's a really beautiful. Color is white color. Look like a flare. No scratch, no damage, no accidents. Design also beautiful. Tail light design is too long. It's have a V40 T5 logo, and you see parking sensor have a 4 sensor for safety, and then have a 2 exhaust pipe. You see. Let's go to seat trunk. Wow, it's a really wide. The space is really wide. If you want more space, you can put on the back seat. You can put bit 2 beds and many things. Now I'm an interior. You can see perfect balance of performance and high technology material. Seat design is making black color. You can adjust electric. Electric have a 3 memory. You see, front console have a chromium, have a monitor. You can control Bluetooth and multimedia control. And here is a air conditioner control. Gear is 6-speed automatic. And then here you can put 2 cat, and here you can connect one USB, And then steering wheel is a multifunction steering wheel. You can control volume up and down. Have a cruise control. And here is this space is really wide and really deep. You can push many documents and you can save them. You can see this car is many accessory. Yeah, it's a really cool. It's a design is really cool.
And now I'm re-interior, and the design is black color, and the seats very comfortable. You can sit 3% and open here, push to curb, and you can take out and rest your arm, and have isofix for children. And I think this car is very special and very cheap price. If you're interested, you can come to Open Road. You can come to test drive. So now, bye bye.